Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our windshield knobs for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Classic Broncos are quickly becoming one of the most popular classic vehicles in the hobby today, and finding parts for them is becoming easier and easier. Today we want to show you our windshield knobs for these classic machines. Used to lock the windshield in place, these knobs will give your project that perfect finishing touch. Available in two finishes to complement the theme you're going for, both are pressure die cast just like the originals. First, we offer a bright chrome-plated finish to give your project some extra shine and curb appeal. And secondly, we offer them in a more low-key satin black finish for those of you going with the satin black look, which is becoming more popular. Both are made from high-quality materials and construction and will give your project that fresh off the showroom floor feeling. So if you're restoring a classic Bronco, Dennis Carpenter is your one-stop shop for all your Bronco needs. And as always, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.